moving to Reshmi, who's just sitting next to me, and she must be wondering that why I'm not even talking to her. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So, Reshmi, you know, as we all knew that supply chain, when we talk about it, it's a big chain. Starting from procurement, vendor management, cost negotiation, design and development, and whatnot. And eventually it ends when the final product reaches to the shelf to the consumer. So it has actually a big chain where we always feel that there's a different and most important complex situations arises. So what do you think, which is the most important part in the entire supply chain? Could be planning, forecasting, I don't know what. From your angle, what do you think? What is your point of view that you feel that it is a most complex situation and more focus is really, need to be given to that area? What do you think on this?
Thank you. Hello? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Rakhi. As I said, I'm a project management professional and an electrical engineer. I'm in power sector. So, especially in substation, the 80% of the project value is for the supply items. So, you understand that how crucial it is. To execute a project, this is main crucial thing is planning. And when we say planning, it means everything. First, you need to understand the project, the type of the project. Then only you can plan a project, right? So when you plan a project, so it involves, includes to understand the project requirement, the risk, and your stakeholders, okay, the contract parts. And when you do the planning, the forecast is also involved. So whatever you have mentioned, everything is the planning. Like, so based on this project type of the project, understanding your stakeholders and the suppliers, this is a major role. And to understand the project, you need to understand the global scenario as well, because then only you can wisely select your supply chain partner. It is not for the one project, it is for the sustainability, for the long-term benefit, and to understand like if any disruption happens, so how you handle. Like if you only concentrate on the price and the technical part. Technical aspect is, it's definitely mandatory, because you cannot collaborate with a partner who cannot supply, who cannot comply to your technical requirement. So technical requirement is one thing, major thing. And then not only cost, the other, the risk also comes. Like if any kind of disruption that nowadays is happening, if your supply partner is unable to supply the material, then what will do with the cheaper cost and the things now? So it it will impact your schedule as well. So again the cost will be higher, and you cannot accomplish a project. So the basic thing is the planning, and the when is the planning to understand your project, understand your stakeholders, and understanding the situation, what you require, not only for these projects, because of the long term, how you will collaborate with the logistics also, because you will find out a partner, a supply partner like that, like the way, because the packing, the delivery of the schedule, because if it is a damage, the supply partner, maybe they manufacture the item as per the technical requirement, but they cannot deliver deliver properly. It can be a damage, it can be a insurance and everything. And even after the service, after the supply, because whenever it is installed or any testing happens or any dispute happens, so supply partner must be capable to give you the proper service, because it is a customer satisfaction as well in the long term. So these are the major criteria we need to understand for a project, and everything comes into the planning. And even the forecast, like if your partner is capable to cope with the situation, the disruptions, and any risk happens, so how you choose wisely. Even are they using the digital solution? Because nowadays the real-time tracking is also required to monitor the supply and any kind of delay and the risk. This is also a risk. So everything comes under the planning, and the planning is the only one term, but it includes each and everything.